Hey everybody, this is Ryan with BaldyLocks Stocks. Welcome back to the channel. We have some crazy news today. We had some gainers that went well. We had some gainers that did not go well. But first of all, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's see what we can get into today. My first stock was by far the most volatile. Let's just show you here. This is this past week, right? This is this stock, GEVO, this past week. There's absolutely nothing. This is your volume. This is your stock. And then, well, bang, this thing's going all the way up. What happened right here, right? So basically, we got some news. It shot up in the pre-market. It was at 90%, up 90% at the open. It was up over $1. It did creep back down a little bit, but then it skyrocketed all the way back again to over looks like over $1.50. Then it went down, but it maxed out at $2.20 something a share. I mean, we're at 230+% that we're up on the day. Crazy gains on this stock, crazy momentum, crazy volume. I did not buy this stock. I'm crazy for not buying it, so shame on me. Lost out. So here we go. I will say here it did die off to about $1.40 something here a share. It did go back up, but in the after hours, what I want to show you here, this right here is where it's really volatile. I would be very skeptical about buying anything in the after hours, anything in the pre-market. You see your volume is pretty much shot right here. There's no volume whatsoever. That means it's so volatile. Sometimes you can't get in. Sometimes you get stuck with a high share count that you wasn't expected or a high price, and it drops down. You can't get out. So unless you're experienced with pre-market and aftermarket sales, stay out. Tomorrow, I don't know what this is going to do. Again, it's up over 200% during the day. I'm not really sure what it's going to do tomorrow. It did have a little bit of a run, but it looks like it could fall off pretty good. It could have a run a little bit past $2, but expect the fall for the shorts to take over. If you know how to short a market, it's probably a good one to do. My next one, which I was going to be pretty excited about, it did not work out like I expected. OPGN. OPGN is a runner in the past that's done really well over the past years, couple years, I guess. But today it did not have that run. In fact, it went straight up in the pre-market. You'll see right here, some pretty good gains. It went all the way up to $2.75 a share. It was at 100, over 100% at that point in time, and then it fell like a knife straight down, all the way down. It finally found support. This was not expected. I was kind of hoping that this would be a pretty good stock to get into. To find a little bit of a support right here on that pullback after about 9:45, 10 o'clock, but it didn't. It kept falling. It kept going. Again, this is probably my biggest disappointment. And just to kind of show you here, look at the volume. Look at the selling right here. This is some shorts taking over. This is some people who really lost lost a lot of money if you're a bag holder. But again, I was excited. It did not work. One of my biggest surprises of today. Again, my last one here, OPTEC, excuse me, International. Wow, I messed that one up. This one right here, my favorite penny stock of the month, of the next couple months, whatever it is. This had a pretty big dip down. This right here was at support level. And if you look into today, it was at about 55 cents a share, a couple days ago, and then it's crept up, and now it's sitting at over 8 cents a share. I would expect this to probably be a 1 to 2 to 3 to 400% gain within the next month. It could be at 20 cent, 25 cent a share within the next month. And we're talking about double, triple, quadruple, 400% your gains by this stock. It has some great opportunity into the COVID or whatever you call it. It actually has a UV ray that kills any kind of bacteria or anything that's on phones and classroom and hospitals. They've got a great company going on here. And again, these are some gains. These are some stocks. These are some things that I was looking at into the market today to see what was out there. If you wouldn't mind, go ahead and hit a comment down there that way and tell me what did you have your gains on this week? Did you make any money? Did you lose any money? I want to see some of your tickers that was moving for you. Anyways, for now, that's a lot.